To use Revolut with Apple Wallet, you need to have a few things set up. First, you need an iPhone that is compatible with Apple Wallet, an Apple ID, and a Revolut account. If you do not have a Revolut account, you can sign up for one by downloading the Revolut app from the App Store. Once you have a Revolut account, open the Revolut app and navigate to the Cards section. Here you will see all of your available cards, including your physical and virtual cards. Select the card you want to add to Apple Wallet. After selecting the card, tap the Add to Wallet button. You will then be prompted to confirm that you want to add the card to Apple Wallet. Confirm that you want to add the card, and it will be added to your Apple Wallet. To use your Revolut card with Apple Wallet, open Apple Wallet on your iPhone and select the card you just added. You can then use your iPhone to make contactless payments wherever Apple Pay is accepted. You can also use your Revolut card with Apple Wallet to make online purchases. When you are checking out online, select the option to pay with Apple Pay. You will then be prompted to select the card you want to use and authenticate the transaction with Face ID or Touch ID. It is also important to note that you can use your Revolut card with Apple Wallet to make international transactions. Revolut does not charge any foreign transaction fees, so you can use your card abroad without incurring any extra fees. To get the most out of using your Revolut card with Apple Wallet, make sure you have the latest version of the Revolut app and iOS installed on your iPhone. This will ensure that you have the latest features and security updates. Overall, using your Revolut card with Apple Wallet is a convenient and secure way to make transactions. It allows you to leave your physical wallet at home and make contactless payments with your iPhone. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of using your Revolut card with Apple Wallet.